The silence fades into the night. Coyotes sing at the moonlight. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Feel the wind touch our face. Let's take a spin to a foreign place. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Let's escape.
To our second shopping center. Is basically 3 or 5 minutes away from each other.
Into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape. Let's escape. Let's escape.
I got some money on the bank right here, guys, and they not allowed me to use my money, and I'm about to find out why. So it's this bank right here. Oh no, that's not. It's not the one. It has the logo, but it's not the one. Oh yeah, it is. So I want to find out if it was wrong because I need my money. Okay guys, so there's Dollar City, and in USA we have a Dollar Tree. So I finally make my family get tired to be walking around. This is a huge property where we've been walking, and they finally say, let's go to a hotel, we don't want to be here anymore. They're looking for Forever 21, and we just went to Forever 21 last Saturday before we get here, and now they want to go to Forever 21 again. Can you believe that? No Forever 21? So we're going home? Yes. They get tired already. Probably gonna cut the Uber and go back. Okay guys, so this is our third place or mall. Okay guys, so this is our third shopping mall that we visit in this tour. It's just all about shopping with no bags. We haven't bought anything besides chicharrones, pork, carnitas, and we got some crepe, tortillas. We've been eating, that's it. That's pretty much, that's what we travel. We travel for food, right? Oh, there's Cinepolis. That's Cinepolis. We're here shopping around for boots. Boots.
I want to find some more like these book diaries because I've always wanted one of them. I'm trying to find like this one.
To get ready for $4, that's a good deal. 3 for $4 of water. No Takis, Jancy, no Takis. Doritos. gustitos. A lot of stuff. How much? How much? $24 to get the ice brown down. It's basically like in the USA, right?
$12.
It's 12 right there, and it's 24 right here. So we're basically paying more money for it. That's a cell phone store, Movistar. Basically like a T-Mobile or like a what? Verizon. Hey guys, we do have a iChop over here instead of the Apple Store. iChop is basically an Apple Store. It's basically a reseller, you know, but it's called iShop. Chicharrones? Yes, that's what happens. That's what you get when you eat too much chicharrones. See, I'm gonna still have more for dinner. More chicharrones. Those chicharrones, guys. We still have some for dinner over here. I say one tortilla, one of those big pieces of chicharron, and a slice of lime. So that's good for dinner. Guys, so we're gonna end this video over here because there's lots of noise. Because the water fountain right there. My family is sitting right there playing around, and we're waiting for our taxi just to go back to the hotel. My family get tired already, tired of shopping, so let's go. Oh, the taxi's right there. Let's go. So we came for dinner, guys, to this place right here. It's kind of dark, but take a look. Okay, guys, so see what happened. We went out for dinner today because I want to eat some pupusas. I haven't eaten pupusas since I get here yesterday, and I got some pupusas. I ate something called chilaquiles. That's not something like a Mexican food. It's something new from this area right here. I got some frijoles, like mashed beans, a couple of sausages or chorizos. And these pretty ladies right here, they decided to stay here because they want
pizza.
See the American girls? The American girls, they got pizza. And I tried to take them to a local pizza restaurant with 5-star reviews, local, but they don't want to go out. So they ended up with American stuff.
I thought it was breadsticks at first.
But that's what they are. That's what they call that.
They're really good.
Well, it was kind of hard to order in Spanish, believe me, because hey, I never ordered pizza before in this country when I was a little kid. So they asked me to place the order, and they offered me nuditos de ajo, like means like a garlic nut.
Garlic?
Nut, noodles.
Oh, garlic nuts.
Exactly. So I don't know what those things are. So I say yes.
I think those are
But-
just like.
But I was looking for cheese stick,
I think those are just type of toppings.
but so they ended up with the pizza. So I ended up with the pizza. Oh, that's Monday to Friday, $6.99. All of that stuff. That's a good deal. Okay, guys. So that's our story about our dinner today. I was not able to record because there was a lot of people over there coming from construction. This was a lady cooking on the side of the street with the grill. She was cooking plantains, chicken nuggets. She was cooking chicken nuggets, eggs, over easy, over hard, made to order, tamales, what else? Hot chocolate, a lot of traditional food. It was really good, guys, but I was not able to record for safety, you know. That's what it is, guys. We'll see you in the next